Hey YouTube, it's a really short video here. It is the, I believe, 9th or 10th, the 10th, I believe, of April here, and we're looking at getting a blizzard today. We're just about completely rid of snow, except for you can see spots that the sun doesn't hit directly. And then in the groves there's some snow left, and in my grove there's a bunch of snow, but it's pretty much down to what the trees have caught and everything like that. Well, anyway, bad news, we're starting a blizzard right now apparently, and it's supposed to last for a couple days and taper off by the Friday afternoon, the 12th, and I'm supposed to be in Huron the next day, but anyway, I'll see how that goes. But yeah, we're supposed to get, they say, up to 2 feet of snow, and this happened last year a little later than this, not too much later. About 3 days later, so this has really become a cycle that we've hope that doesn't continue. But anyway, we'll see. I'll take some pictures or videos along the way, and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.